Hey guys, how are you today?
Good. How are you?
You doing? Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Hey, do you got a ticket for me?
Yes.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
All that work.
Alright, it's left, left to the right.
Welcome everybody to the Taste of Code, beginner coding workshop. Who has never coded before in their life? That's really exciting. My name is Ryan. I'm a JavaScript teacher here at the Codaisseur Academy. Today, we are building an online game.